Espresso, steam, and milk frother machine from LePresso. If you are looking for a professional espresso experience at home or in the office, LePresso's product is your best choice. With its unique design and special features, savor every moment of enjoying a cup of espresso or a hot beverage. This machine comes with two portafilters, one for ground coffee, allowing you to brew an espresso with an excellent taste and coffee cream, and another for espresso capsules. Included with the product are professional tamper and spoon. With this device, you can froth milk or use the steam van for other hot drinks like hot chocolate or tea. On the right side of the machine, there is a steam control knob, allowing you to make precise steam pressure adjustments. The machine dip tray is sturdy, beautiful design, and functional. This tray collects excess water, and the indicator automatically rises when it's full so that you can empty the water reservoir. On the top surface, there is designed an area to preheat cups to ensure your coffee remains at the perfect temperature. It has 1.5-liter water reservoir, allowing you to make numerous espresso without the need to refill. The machine's pump pressure range from 9 to 15 bars. With its elegant design, superior performance, and various features, you will experience a uniquely different espresso. A unique and efficient product from LePresso. To place an order, get in touch with us.